Guys, guess what? I discovered a magic bucket. Now I can catch fish out of here without bait even. So you can see I got a hook on and it goes. Do you think I'm gonna catch something? Oh, I bite there for a second. Oh, again for a second. Here it goes. I think I'll catch something. I think I will. Patience. That's part of fishing is patience, you know. Let's see. Dadgummit. This is the way you catch fish in this magic bucket, you know. You gotta sit there and jerk a treble hook around, you know. And as y'all can see, I didn't have a hook on the fish. That's why I showed it to y'all. Oh, someone came up to the surface with it. Ooh. Well, people, I thought they'd be biting today. Whoa! I was wrong. They were for a second. Dadgummit. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it seems like the bad magic book you don't want to produce for us today, unfortunately. Might have to just stick my hand in there and pull one out. You know what? Hang on, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna catch a fish out here. I'm gonna use my bare hands. And it goes. Hang on. Do 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 do. Ooh, got something. Ooh, look at the size of that thing. Guys, see, it's a magic bucket. Got fish in it. I'm messing with y'all though. I caught those earlier on. Now y'all gonna be complaining, well, why did y'all film me catching them? You know, man, you know what, you know, deals and that's good on my hat. But you know, I don't want to bore y'all just catching little sunfish. That's all that's in this bucket, but it's a lot. So I'm gonna show. I figured I'd film the results at least. Hang on. There's a way I do this. I put a Walmart bag over till it catches all the fish that, you know, what lets the water out. So you know, that's. Yeah, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, very careful with the fish, you know. Well, actually, y'all can't see. Whee! Look at all them. That big sucker right there, he's called Supper. This is Bill, Tim, Timmy, John, Josh, Chad, Joe, Faith, Susan, Susie, Chester, Herbert, Hunter, Junior Redneck, I don't know, Ben, Henry, let's see, let me think of one. I think he's Bill already. Dang. Greg. We'll say Greg. Big one supper, so he gets to go in the bucket. These few get freedom. I won't show you me cleaning the big supper dude in a second. So load these guys up in the bucket and let them go. I think this one here is a hybrid with a largemouth. I can tell by looking at it. There you see all that. That's something you really see on a largemouth. And this one I think has a hybrid of bluegill and sunfish. You can see those stripes, usually only found on a bluegill. And the rest of these are, well, actually I think this one here might have a little bluegill in him. Yeah, he has some stripes in this one right here. He might have a little pumpkin seed in him by looking at the spots on the back of his tail. Now there's a way to get these two, just like the catfish. Pull back on these, or these will stick you. So you pull one back, they all go back. And avoid those bottom fins too, because some of them there can stick you. Yeah. I think big old supper's dead, so probably a good thing we got him. Been quick about this, because I don't want to keep him out of the water. Ooh, terribly. Seriously, dude. Which one are you, Chad or something? I don't know. A lot of them today, guys. A lot of them. Oh, I forgot to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 fish today, guys. Plus 20 if you want to count that catfish from earlier. Forgot what we named him or her. Let's see. So yes, guys, that's the lucky 18. That big one gonna be supper. Off they go, guys. Off they go. Grow up, guys. Become big. You'll end up like supper. So yeah. And all I was using, guys, was a small hook with 1 kernel of corn. That's all. And I wasn't even casting it out. I was just dunking it in those weeds and all that. You know, after a little while, they got a little suspicious. So then you guys kind of start jerking it around. And then, yes. But let me go get my knife and my pliers. We're going to clean up this guy's supper. This is my knife of choice for today. The Camulus Titanium. This is my favorite knife, actually, guys, for cleaning fish. Mainly big catfish and gar. And ow. Just knee it down right in the fish water. Damn it. But yeah. You know what? So we're going to put him out of his misery. He's out of his misery, guys. Let me see. I got a flat place I can clean. Yeah, I got some post over here. We're going to go clean them on. And actually, let's flip my bucket upside down. That'll work just fine. Now, normally I would scale them, but I ain't got a spoon to do that. And, woo! Bloody. Now I'll go take this to my grandparents, because that's where I usually put all the fish I catch and clean. So yes, try to hold it like this so y'all can see this. And warning, as y'all can already see, it's going to be a bit bloody, so if you are sensitive to that, I would recommend not watching the rest of the video. If you're fine with watching it, enjoy the video. Okay, so he's out of his misery already, and yeah, you just saw him move his mouth. That's just muscle spasms. He's dead, don't worry. He's not in pain. Yeah, he's not dead. So, real simple. First of all, I'm going to cut off the head. I'm not going to show y'all that, because I got to have 2 hands. I got to hold him steady with 1 hand, and yeah, so you can see my face. Let's see, here we go. And let's have a competition. Pause right now, and oops, yeah. Pause the video right now and go down to the comment section section and vote if you think it's going to be a male or female, because when I open up the guts, we'll see if there's eggs in it, and I'll determine if it's a male or female. And yeah, so let's have a vote. I'll pause the video right now, go make your vote. And yeah, and when you're done, you hit play. So go vote. Okay, what's your vote? Male or female? I got it. No. So excited. No. I'm thinking it's a female. I'm having a feeling we're gonna find some eggs, but who knows? But that's off with the head. And some of the guts came out. How nice. I'm gonna show y'all. Oh yeah, like guts, but here's the head. It was nice to me. He eating me. Yeah, but so yeah. I won't do the head. It's just off in the water. Catfish can eat that. And yeah. So we got that. Next I'm gonna cut off these side fins right here, and the tip, all the other fins. I'm gonna cut those off right quick. And then I should be able to get the guts out, and we'll be able to find out if it's male or female. Like I said, I'm thinking female. Ow! Let me get those spiky dorsal fins off first. Now this one ain't gonna have as much meat on it, but it's big enough I can take home and take a spoon to it. And I'm gonna cook this up in a different video. I'm not gonna cook it today. I might cook it tomorrow or Wednesday or something. Cause damn, man, they're good. Now the deal is also when you're eating these sunfish you catch, bluegill, green sunfish, any sunfish it may be, watch for bones when you're eating it, because they are quite bony, but they are delicious. They're good eating. Now this one is big enough I can just fry it whole. So I'm not going to bother cutting it into fillets, you know. And people say, you know, fillet it, it's easier. But the truth is, when you fillet it, you also waste a lot of meat. There's a lot of meat you waste when you fillet it. You know, there are some fish I have to make an example for, like gar. But the truth is, with gar, when you fillet them, is those meat fillets of meat come right off just like peeling a banana. You know, it's really easy. As long as you can get past the armor on a gar, which I would recommend using some tin snip pliers. Those will cut through armor real good. You know, those things cut through metal and shit, so I'm just like, yeah, use those to cut through the gar armor, and yeah. And I'm gonna take this home and I'm gonna go and, damn. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it may look easy to do this, but when your hands are slimy and you're trying to hold it down, it ain't easy. I can guarantee you that. Hang on, ladies and gentlemen. Let me get this fin off. I started getting it off. My phone bloody now. Fish blood. And get this off and I'll show you what we got. Ladies and gentlemen, I've had this knife since summer and I haven't had to sharpen it once. And it's still sharp as hell. It's a good knife. And I only got it for about 20 bucks. And I'm actually going to do a video later on about how when you buy a knife, you don't have to spend a whole lot on a knife, you know. 20 bucks is about maximum I'll spend that for a good size knife like this. And I actually got this for first time I actually wasn't the first time. I went gar fishing for the first time in about 3 years, so I didn't have a good knife to deal with it, so I went to Walmart, got this, and it's been a good knife for me ever since. There we go. Let's see. That's all off. Spiky fins are off. For the